We welcome thousands of new associates to our family in 2025. And we didn't get a chance to see them all in training, but we sure hope to see them in 2026. But I can tell you that our training numbers were fantastic. We so appreciate all the support that you've given myself and the training team when we have trainings in your marketplaces, whether that's your certification trainings, whether that's our sales master classes that we do, our advanced product trainings that we do. We really are there to support you in all your training needs, full service. They're broken down into different categories of training to support that full service. But I'm excited to share some great announcements with you here with some of my training colleagues about what we have in store for 2026. And we think you'll really be pleased about it. I know we are pleased about it. So Ken, let's go ahead and just jump into the information.
Awesome.
So let's start with congratulating people on new levels. Now, we don't have final numbers yet, Mr. Roebuck, right? We are still waiting on some final numbers, but we wanted to start with congratulating on for you that have advanced through what we call our gym levels. And we wanted to give some clarity to some of